Good morning, squad. Today is... Girl, I don't know what today is. Today is Tuesday, and of course you know what it is. It's another Week With Me video. Only this time I am going to show you guys some services as well. You guys have a lot of questions about those, so let's go inside and see how today goes. Alrighty, girlfriend, you know what it is. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Lets me know that you really like me. You really do. Oh my gosh, you guys, I've been waiting to do an oxygen facial so bad. And I love Circadia, and I just think that they have some great treatments. Now, obviously, that's what I like. Find what you like. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. I have 3 consultations. So in my consultations, my goal is to right fit them for a skincare package. We offer a bunch of different services, and so my goal is to kind of see what services work for them. And then I have a cryofacial, and then I have 2 cryo slimming appointments. I'm not gonna lie, I want to just do a small little check-in with you guys. I am feeling kind of exhausted. I cannot believe I took on another job. And I'm so happy that I did, because the money is good and it's actually more reliable than my other spa. And so that's got me conflicted a little bit, you guys. I didn't know how I was going to feel. I thought I was going to feel fine, but now I don't know if I feel that way. So we'll talk about it on my lunch break. So let's go into work. True. Okay, guys, so this has been, I don't know, it's probably been 2 weeks now since I've started working at this job, and I love it. I am so booked and so busy, but right now it's about putting in the work, grinding. This is why I chose a second job, because I wanted to learn advanced treatments. As always, aesthetics, it can look glamorous, but a lot of it is this. I'm doing laundry, getting ready for my next appointment. The day is packed from the minute I start to when I'm going home. And I love the way that we take notes. And it's just, I don't know, it's just really cool. I'll give you guys a tour of this treatment room. It's pretty small, but I wanted to kind of show you guys around, because I've shown you my other spa and I haven't shown you guys this one. So here I am showing you the Cryo Skin Facial Machine. This is a machine that I got certified on through this company. Yeah. And then, I mean, there's a Hydrafacial machine, which we'll talk about in a second. So let me put all of this back. Okay, now that I cleaned that machine off, let's take a look at just kind of what the setup is. So this is our file for all of our consultations. We keep those papers in there. This is a hot towel warmer. This is actually the best hot towel warmer I've ever used. It's an Elite brand. That's what the brand is called if you're curious, and it gets hot so fast. I could put hot towels in 10 minutes. They're hot and ready to go. Whereas my other hot towel warmer, I need to put hot towels in it 30 minutes or so before, because, girl, she's slow to play. But I'm not mad. I hope she don't break down on me. So here is this bad boy. You guys, when you're in aesthetic school, you learn about so many treatments, and I use the Girllll machine. This is the Hydrafacial machine. We all know about Hydrafacial. The glow that people have after this treatment, honey, is insane. In fact, I'm going to pop up a gunk jar for you guys in a second. Matter of fact, let me do that now. Okay, girl, so this is footage from a gunk jar of stuff that I cleared out of a client's skin in just their first session. Look at all of that congestion. Oh my gosh, it makes me so happy. So this is the handheld device. This is the device that does all the sucking and pulling and pushing and extractions and all of that. It has a flow valve on it. This is our perk tube. We also, all those little vials that I showed you, those are the boosters, and that's also the pill and the prep. So it's an amazing treatment. I actually got to give my mom the platinum, and she loved it. I'll show you guys her results. But if you follow me on Instagram, my name is Chandelier. You already know the results were insane. It also has lymphatic drainage. So anywhere that they have skin, you can do a hydrofacial. Now, depending on where you work, what you do, or if you work for yourself or whatever, you know, there might be different protocols and stuff. So you might want to look at that. But what I really like about this system that I'm showing you is it tells you what you need to be doing each step, gives you helpful tips, speaking points, and it tells you like, okay, you need to use active force solution with the blue tip, and then you need to do long, fast, overlapping passes. Or it'll say short, feather-like strokes, twist and pull method. Like, it'll tell you what to do. So this is just a pattern that it shows you. So it'll show you different patterns for the procedure that you're on. It takes a while to get used to a new machine, but once you do, you know what you're doing, but still. I honestly cannot keep up with the days, you guys. I wish I could. I am so sorry. Like the month has been a blur for me, just being honest. Okay, guys, this is another week, and I am at my main spa. I don't know, that's just what we're calling it. And I'm about to get ready for all of my appointments, and so I usually just come in and get everything going, turn the lights on, get Alexa going, you know, she likes that crazy, get the diffuser going. I don't know, I'm pretty sure this is probably a Friday or perhaps it's a Thursday. I honestly don't even know. Come in, flip on my switches. That switch powers my wax pots. I did get a new wax pot. The wax looks a little crazy right now because I forgot to put the little like wax collars on, and so yeah, but so I did get a new wax pot, and if you guys want a review on it, let me know and I will do that. I turned my towel warmer on. I already told you guys about this one. She takes a minute, so I get to work super early. And I start setting up for my appointments. I try to arrive at least 40 minutes before my appointments get there. It just gives me time to get everything together and ready. And if for some reason the night before, the week before, or whenever I'm walking into the shop, if for some reason I didn't have the time that I needed to set up or whatever the last time I was here, it gives me time to do that. Typically, I'm pretty ready to go, but I like to put like my dishes away, all my little cups. And yeah, so right here, I'm just getting set up for my first facial. I think this day I maybe had 4 or 5 facials and 2 Brazilians. And so, yeah. Time doesn't stop. It's so funny. I remember in a video I was like, I kind of try to take advantage of my slow periods now because I know it's not always going to be like this. And girl, did I ain't never lied. I'm going to tell you, because it is not slow at all. My days are jam-packed from the minute I start to the end, and ever so often I will get a cancellation. I did implement the card on file program for our shop. Going forward, everybody who books online now has to have a card on file, and it has made life really easy. I have noticed a drop in online bookings, but what that means to me is it's a drop in fickle clients, and that's what I've been doing. That is what has been something that's got my books booked. So try it. Let me know how it works for you guys. If you want to know more in depth, I can do a sit down talk through video and give you guys like some mock examples and do like some role play consultations for you. So let me know in the comments if that's something that you're interested in. But yeah, ever since I've started that, I've gotten most of my clients booked through chemical peel season. I've got clients who I'm like treating. We've already got things set up and scheduled. But most importantly, the biggest goal that I'm trying to teach my clients is being accountable. If they come to me and they say they want to achieve a goal, then I'm holding them accountable and saying this is what it takes to get there. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. I'm heading to work. Today I am going to vlog a day with me. This is pretty much a typical Saturday, and at this point, all the days are busy. I don't know. Bitch, I'm not even counting because it's insane. Okay, so here I am setting up my ring light. I'm so excited, you guys. I got a Cosmo Glow light for my birthday. My wife got it for me. I'm so spoiled. I'm so excited. But it's going to take like a month to get here because their shipping time is insane. It was $375, and then it was like $35 for shipping. So if you're thinking about getting one and you really do want to get one, you need to get it in advance. But again, I don't even know if I'm gonna like it. I think I'm gonna like it because of YouTube and trying to make content, but I never know. But I did try this new technique, and I set my ring light up, and I felt like that did a really great job. Here I am. This is just some of the promo stories that I like to post on my Instagram. I like to get people with FOMO. I like to get them fear of missing out, book now, because like I think that's what's been really booking me up. As I told you guys, we did bring in another esthetician. She'll be working part-time. She'll be working Fridays and Saturdays. I am phasing Fridays off of my schedule just because I literally am booked every day. I'm so blessed for it, but I'm tired. And so I need a day. And so for the remainder of the year, I'll phase Fridays off. So pretty much I'm just kind of training her on a few things, and I'm just happy to bring her on. She actually graduated with me, so it's cool that we're going to be working together as a team. And then I'm teaching her just some of the other services that I've added on, like foot facials. These are huge. These book up, and it's just a quick and efficient way to book your schedule up. And if you guys are curious and want to know about my foot facial technique, really it's just a facial that you do on someone's feet, and it just feels really good. It's more so to stimulate circulation. This is me doing LED therapy on one of my clients. I mean, it's insane, you guys, right now. Just going and going and going. Here's me doing LED on myself, girl. This is the light stem, and this is the wrinkle one. I'm trying to, keep it tight, keep it right. Okay, so you guys, when I was setting up my ring light, this is the point of view that I ended up doing. My client wanted me to record the video from the front facing because she felt more comfortable with that. So always just check with your client. They have concerns, when they see themselves on camera. And so you just want to make sure you're being mindful of that. But she was super comfortable with it, and she's obviously gorgeous. So this is me doing that treatment. And guys, honestly, I recommend recording what you can and asking your clients, because showing people what you can actually do goes so much further than you just telling them or posting occasionally. So just post about your business so people know that you're out here. Here I am getting a bite to eat, and really this is just where I'm going to wrap up the video. Guys, thank you so much for supporting my journey, girl, and just seeing you guys in the comment sections. Like, I see each and every comment, all of the messages on my Instagram. Like, it just means so much girl, that food. So I'm eating it out of a cup because it's so hot and I have like half a second to eat, but it's been such a journey, and I appreciate you guys rocking with me. And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you wanted to see more of something, let me know in the comment section. As always, stay out here grinding, girl. I'm on to the next one, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video and just rocking with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was a series of 3 weeks of content that I've just hodgepodged together, and there's still so much that I couldn't even. The video would have been an hour, and I know we don't have time to be sitting and watching hour-long videos, girl, but just wanted to thank everybody for all of the love, everyone who's sharing my content, all of your comments, everybody who's subscribed, who has your notification gang on. It's all love, and I appreciate you guys so much. I hope I'm inspiring you to get out here and go get it. It is what you make it. And so, don't be afraid. Oh my God, girl, I almost dropped my phone. Don't be afraid to be aggressive and to want something and to believe that you can actually achieve that shit. And if you're in school right now, let me know your graduation date, girl. I don't care if it's in 2 weeks or in 9 months. Let me know. We are going to celebrate the journey, and I'm so proud of you. Thank you guys for rocking with me. Oh, last thing I wanted to tell you guys, I started a podcast. Yes, I started a podcast. It is called Skin is In Podcast. You can find it everywhere that you can find podcasts, and my first episode will be up this Friday. And yeah, you guys, it's just been crazy. On my podcast, I pretty much talk about all things that are about skin. On my podcast, Skin is Always In, so we're always going to be talking about the bomb.com, delicious, yummy dum of skin and being an esthetician. I talk about the sunscreen gap, being consistent with your facial treatments, why, my journey as an esty. So if you're interested and want to kind of get a little bit more behind the scenes, that's where you're going to catch me. And I will see you guys in the next video. I have an entire playlist. You do not have to go anywhere. You can binge me all day. My name is Chandelier. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.